In today's video, I will teach you how to layer multiple presets together in Lightroom. Let's get started. In Lightroom, applying multiple presets at once can be tricky because most presets override existing adjustments. However, you can still layer presets effectively by using a few techniques. The first method is using the stackable presets. Some presets are designed to be stackable, meaning they only adjust specific settings instead of resetting everything. If your presets are non-destructive, you can apply multiple ones without losing earlier adjustments. And here's how to apply stackable presets. Simply go to Lightroom, then go to the Develop module, and select a base preset from the Presets panel on the left side. Then apply a second preset that only affects certain settings, like color, grain, or vignetting. Then adjust the sliders manually in the right-hand panel if needed. For this, you can look for presets labeled as stackable or adjustments only. The second method is using the apply on top trick. If presets are overriding each other, you can try this workaround. First, apply the first preset and adjust any slider that you want to keep. Then create a virtual copy by right-clicking and selecting Create Virtual Copy. Then apply the second preset to the virtual copy. Then use the History panel on the left side to copy selective adjustments. Then manually combine effects by tweaking sliders. This method is useful when stacking presets that affect overlapping settings such as exposure and tone curves. The third method is using Lightroom masking for local presets. If you want to apply different presets to specific parts of an image, you can use masks. To do this, apply a global preset as your base. Then click on the masking tool on the top right panel. Then you can add a brush, linear gradient, or radial gradient to target certain areas. Then manually adjust or apply local presets to specific parts of the image. For example, you can apply one preset to brighten the subject and another to darken the background. The fourth method is copy and pasting adjustments selectively. If a preset overrides your previous adjustments, you can use the copy and paste settings to mix different presets. First, apply preset 1, then adjust any settings that you want to keep. Then copy adjustments by pressing Command or Ctrl-Shift-C and select only the settings that you want. Then apply preset 2, which will override some settings. Then paste the copied adjustments by pressing Command or Ctrl-Shift-V to bring back settings from preset 1. You can use this when combining presets that adjust different aspects of an image like color grading and sharpening. And once you've combined multiple presets, you can create a custom preset. Simply click the plus icon in the Presets panel, then choose Create Preset. Then check only the settings that you want to include and name your preset and save it for future use. By using these techniques, you can effectively layer multiple presets in Lightroom to create a unique and personalized edit. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.